morning, family. Today is Saturday morning. I'm honestly not sure the date, but right now I'm on my way to get my hair cut. I leave for Puerto Rico tomorrow morning, so today is really just getting prepared to go. I have no trading today, but at 9 o'clock I do have to do a mentorship session with the team, so I got to make sure by the time I get done the haircut I can do that. We just got to get everything prepared and get ready, really, just to leave tomorrow. But good problem to have. I'm excited to go, excited to get some good content, and right now I'm excited to get a haircut because it's been a minute. Look at that cut. This haircut took way longer than I thought it was gonna take, to be honest, but it is what it is. Got this mentorship session I gotta do with the students, but I didn't think it was gonna take me this long, unfortunately. Oh shit, to do this? You can go, bro. Nigga, I don't know what was the point of that, bro. You should have just went for all that. I just got to Walmart right now. I gotta go buy some. I gotta buy a box because I have something to ship off. But here, I want to show you guys. For all the guys, you need this. This is a great daily cologne. This is Versace. I'm not sure which one exactly it is, but you just get this color. You'll know. It's the only color, one in this color. You know what I'm saying? I was getting that frizzed, but this is key to success. I'm about to get this group session done. Give them this value since I've been slacking since I'm here late, but nonetheless, we about to get to it, get to work, and do what we got to do to be successful. That's why it's just having the system and strategy. Just have everything structured to where you don't have to think twice, because once you get in the mindset of doing things you're not supposed to, once you start getting the mindset of just trading to trade, logic goes out the window. My fault, I thought someone was knocking on my door. I was about to have to blick someone. I just got done with the mentorship session with the team. I went over strictly risk management. Anybody that trades, anybody that is in the financial markets, anybody that is in business, understand that risk management is everything. No matter what type of strategy you have, no matter what type of system, risk management is the most important thing. You can have a system where you're only winning 30% of the trades, but if you have impeccable risk management, if your wins are 2 to 3 times bigger than your losses, if you don't let your losers overtake your wins, if your average win is significantly bigger than your losses, you're going to make money long term. And people need to understand that risk management is going to decide whether you make money or lose money. Your system is important, yes, but if you have good risk management combined with your good system, that's what's going to allow you to then make money. And for all the people that are new here, make sure you check out the free course. If you're looking to get involved in trading, if you're looking to learn how to trade, make sure you check it out in the description, and it's going to bring you to this website. You get access to free course. You get the whole introduction to trading. You get all these lessons to get you involved in trading, to teach you the basics, the introduction to the market, understand candlesticks, price action, importance of timing, and also some advanced settings. Where click that link and check it out if you're trying to level up and get this money trading. I feel like every time I just start recording, I'm in the fucking car. This is why I just got to start a car channel at this point. If you guys want a car channel, more car videos, let me know, because I'm in this shit all day. I have more than enough time to be able to make content, but right now I got this drive. I told you guys earlier how I had to go get my girl. I did not think that she was gonna be 40 minutes away. She's all the way in Clearwater. If you guys don't know, I'm all the way in Tampa and she's all the way in Clearwater getting her nails done. Ain't that crazy? That drive was long as shit. It wasn't too bad. I ended up not even listening to the podcast. I kind of just sat here quiet in my thoughts, just thinking. I like to think in the car. The car is really like my sanctuary of brainstorming, sanctuary of just getting new ideas on what I can do next. You always got to think of what's next. Never get complacent. Always think, what's next? What can I do next? What can I do to improve? What can I do to be better every single day? Even me just picking up this camera right now, I be recording not knowing if these are even going to be in the vlog, but I have to do something. I have to work somehow. And I try to, when I record, to give value in one way, shape, or form, so that it's not just useless content, it's not just useless recording. I'm giving value. I could change your life with the information that I'm telling you. And that's why I do this. Today's about to be a busy day. I leave for Puerto Rico in less than 24 hours, and I have to get a whole bunch of stuff done. So let me go over with you what I got to get done with. Today is February 25th, and it is 8:50 in the morning. Today, we have a couple of goals to get through. Nothing too crazy nonetheless, because I am going on a trip, but we have some things to get through. First, I got to drive my Luna all the way from my house to my grandma's house. And if you don't know where that is, I'm in Tampa, and she's in Ocala. So that's about an hour and a half drive that I got to take there and back. So I gotta get that out the way. Still gotta take a shower, but that's not really relevant. I still gotta pack my clothes. So yes, I'm leaving in less than 24 hours and my flight is at 5 tomorrow morning and I'm not packed yet. I spelled this horribly wrong, but just to show you that you don't gotta be smart to make money, I spelled work hard. But I gotta vlog and I gotta record to get enough content so that I can start editing it while I'm on the flight and at the airport, so that when I'm in Puerto Rico, I don't have to try to edit videos. All I gotta focus on is just getting the content so that when I come back, I can edit it and then post it. Gotta clean the crib up again because it's all messy from us trying to get all the clothes. That's just moving everything around, getting all my dog stuff so I can take her to my grandma's. It's just a lot of stuff that I gotta make sure is clean so that when we leave, it's not a mess, so that when we come back, we don't gotta deal with it. So this is what I have to get done by 4 o'clock because that's when my girlfriend gets off of work. Then she has to go get her hair done, and then after that she has to get packed. We have to get her ready, and then from there we have to go to sleep to then wake up in a couple hours to then go to Puerto Rico. Fresh out the shower, and this fresh cut is going crazy. I ain't gonna lie, Steph, you did your thing. You did your thing. You got me right for Puerto Rico. But I'm in some comfortable shit. I just got into pajamas because I'm not trying to be uncomfortable on this car ride. I'm about to do something I need to definitely get done. Let me show you. This right here is all the weed I have left. And I'm gonna roll all of this and just have it all ready just so I don't have to waste my time all day trying to roll. We're gonna get that shit done. I'm thinking I can get like 5, 6 out of them. What do y'all think? Oh, let me know below before I roll them. I'm thinking I can get like 5, 6 roll. Oh yeah, I was right on the dot. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them things. You know what I'm saying? And they not small ones either. You feel me? But right now I'm about to finish just watching this Alex Hormozy podcast. I got about 25 minutes, but honestly, the main concept of this video is just how to get rich, how the rich and famous got rich and famous. So with that being said, I'm trying to figure out how to get in front of more people so that I can give you guys more value so that you guys will indirectly like this video and subscribe. But with that being said, like I said, I'm gonna finish this video, then I got this long drive I gotta head on, so let's just get straight to it. The beginning of my day is starting. It is 9:45 in the morning and it's just begun.
Literally, YouTube video. Having success, starting, stopping again, failing, making money, losing money. I've done everything.
So not too different, but you know, still different in the long run.
Let me see the birds though. Yeah, let me get it from this angle.
I'm gonna cut them.
You wanna cut them?
Yeah.
Why? I got the good cut. I just look. I like the birds. They look good. Appreciate everyone for watching this video. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Make sure you check the links in the description if you want to join the VIP trading network where we trade live. You guys get our signals live and you get to trade with us live. Get that one-on-one experience live. Make sure you check the link in the description. The free trading course that will teach you everything you need to know to get the basics of trading. It's also in the description. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for the next vlog coming up, and we're going to have a good week. Let's have a good one.